If we had badges, I'd have them all. Tyre fitting, wheel balancing, tyre rotation. I'd have them down this sleeve here, a few across here, and probably over here too. You alright? I was in the Scouts until I was 26, and I can say working for Mobile Tyre Shop is a lot like the Scouts. We get to work outside all the time. You're doing different jobs, you're helping out all sorts of people. Plus, I get the niftiest kit. Look at this thing. It's like a motorised Swiss Army knife.
So it's got what other badges you have?
Oh, definitely puncture repairs. Bronze, silver, and gold. Some people only see brake dust, but it's good to feel important about yourself, you know? The badge that I'd be most proud of would be the tyre recycling badge, and it'd be right here. We recycle 100% of the tyres, 100% of the time. My name's Tom, I'm a mobile tyre technician, and if you need tyres, I'll be prepared.